Hey all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. In this video, we'll learn a very easy Indian ice cream which is loved by almost all age groups, especially in summer. You have guessed it right, we will make kulfi ice cream or Malai Kulfi today. It's a very simple recipe with few simple ingredients which is almost available in all our homes. Please take a note of all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. For this, take a heavy bottom pan or any non-stick pan. As you see, I have added half cup of water to the pan before I add milk. I'll show you at the end of this video as how this step is helpful. Another quick tip here, always use full cream milk for this recipe. Now let's go ahead and add 6 cups of milk to the pan. On medium flame, let's heat the milk right now. Bring the milk to one boil, and when you see the milk rises, just reduce the flame a bit and keep mixing the milk with the whisk. Power tip here, this dish would need continuous babysitting and stirring. So in frequent intervals, we need to keep stirring the milk mixture. Now let's increase the flame to medium and keep mixing and keep cooking the milk. If you are new here and want to watch videos with tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get my videos as soon as I post. We have to reduce this milk mixture to 1/3 of its original quantity, that is, it should reduce nearly to 2 cups. Keep mixing the milk with a spatula or a whisk as it is boiling and scrape the sides off. So actually this quantity of milk makes 6 kulfi ice creams in total. Now as you can see, the milk is half reduced. Let's add sugar and chopped badam or almonds and keep cooking continuously. Mix the sugar and chopped almonds and keep stirring and keep cooking on medium flame. If you want to learn simple homemade ice cream recipes, please click on the top right corner for my very easy cookies and cream ice cream or Oreo ice cream recipe. So now we are cooking the milk on medium heat and you would slowly see the color of the milk changing to yellowish cream and it becomes thick and also it has a grainy texture. Please refer to the video for the right consistency and you can keep the flame low at this point and keep stirring with a spatula. Important tip here, once it cools down, the milk mixture would turn little thick, so keep the consistency accordingly. So almost we are nearing to the right consistency as you can see in the video. We should have little grainy mixture and the color would be yellowish cream and it is now reduced to 1/3 of the milk mixture. Now let's add the cardamom powder and quickly mix everything. Turn off the flame and remove the pan and allow it to cool down completely to room temperature. Now our Malai Kulfi or Kulfi ice cream mix is totally ready. So as you can see, the container is super clean and does not have any milk sticking to the bottom. So always remember to add little water before we boil milk and always cook milk by stirring with a spatula. Now once the kulfi mix is cooled down to room temperature, we will fill them in our choice of kulfi molds. If you don't have a popsicle or kulfi mold, you can actually freeze them in small cups and cover them with an aluminium foil and freeze for 8 to 10 hours. Now after 8 to 10 hours, let's take out the kulfi, keep a bowl of water and lightly immerse them in water for few seconds and try to take it out by rotating them as you see in the video. Alternatively, you can rub the kulfi molds between your palms to lightly loosen it up and the kulfi comes out very clean from the mold. So our very creamy, rich, grainy and super delicious Malai Kulfi is ready with minimum ingredients and this is a must-try recipe this summer. I hope you really liked this video. If so, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other interesting videos. And also please smash the like button, comment and share with your family and friends. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in my next video.